Now I know y'all didn't think I was completely done with Opelika. I'm Danny, this is Dannovator, let's explore. In my last video, I explored the historical streets of downtown Lee County's Opelika, Alabama. There I discovered the whimsical gingerbread house, built in the likeness of the nearby haunted Yunge house. But before ending my Opelika adventure, I traveled north of downtown to an amazing, famous local attraction, the Municipal Monkey Park. This park opened in 1955. Its first attraction was the Rocky Brook Rocket, which opened July 1st, 1955. In the past, 15 cents could get you a ride. And believe me, you want to follow the sign because that almost ended my day. I was hoping we could get a glimpse of the 1/16 scale streamliner. Today, it was locked away securely in this building. On December 1st, 2016, the train began its next chapter of service after being restored. And right over here was once the star of the show. In 1956, Monkey Village opened in the park. 8 spider monkeys once entertained guests with their antics for nearly 25 years. In 1980, the remaining monkeys were relocated to the Montgomery, Alabama Zoo. This historic exhibit is now a popular roadside attraction. I don't know about y'all, but I could spend hours watching the monkeys. Rocky Brook Creek runs through the center of the park. And if you got kids, when the train's open, not only can they ride the train, but they can play on some playground equipment. But let me add, the playground is open daily. The park has plenty of places to picnic. And the park even has restrooms. So when they have special events around here, they got this amazing concession stand. And smile for the camera. And at nighttime, this place looks like it really lights up. And you can't have this amazing outdoor space without some kind of stage. It looks like during the summer, the guests are treated with concerts. Before we finish up here at Monkey Park, let's take a walk along the tracks.
Yep, we're gonna have to say goodbye to that monkey. But now we're going over to a covered bridge that leads over to someplace magical.
Just a short walk around that curve and across from this ball field
Is the Carolyn Dean Wildflower Trail. And this covered bridge crosses over to the trail.
This is the last surviving covered bridge in Lee County, Alabama. It once crossed the Wacoochee Creek between the communities of Salem and Shotwell. Now it spans across Rocky Brook. With today's heat, I am sure no one will take a break on these benches. The Salem Shotwell Covered Bridge was built around 1900. In 2007, it was reconstructed at this site after being damaged by a severe storm where it collapsed into the Wacoochee Creek. Much of its original wood was used during its restoration, but what was once a 76-foot bridge today is a 43-foot bridge. The covered bridge offers a scenic entrance to the Carolyn Dean Wildflower Trail. She was a local Opelika resident and expert on Alabama's wildflower and native plants. Let's explore this peaceful walk near the brook.
Well, right over here, it looks like somebody made their own trail. I like how they have all these alternative paths cut through here. Well, let's see what these structures are down here. It's probably where they store their garden tools and garden supplies. I was sort of wondering if this building here was outhouse. Yeah, I'd highly recommend that if you're in Opelika,
to please don't miss this amazing walking trail experience.
that was a nice little outing, exploring the Monkey Park and exploring that trail.
We end our adventure back at the Rosemere Cemetery.
Well, here's the final resting place for Carolyn Roberts Dean.
Carolyn Dean passed away on January 19th, 2016 at the age of 97. She is buried next to her husband, Augustus. In 2008, her wildflower passion earned her a trip to Washington, D.C., where she was honored with a national award. One of her two children, Daniel, is also buried here.
Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video today. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And always remember, your adventure awaits with the Dannovator. I'll see y'all the next time.